We're free.
Yay!
We are done with our security jobs.
Security job
and
is
our gay
done.
guard job. We're done.
The schedule sucked. Really
It was a
bad.
great job if you hate your spouse.
Right.
Yeah.
Here's the
Gay
thing.
guarding was good.
Yeah, because we were still together.
Yeah.
But
this
one was rough.
This last 2 months sucked.
Yeah.
Sucked.
So we're done.
We're done.
So we are right now, we're leaving Marion, Illinois.
Yeah.
Headed to Texarkana, Texas. So we
are the Freakinnomads once again.
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
We are nomading it.
Yeah.
So we're on our way down to Texas to get an inspection for our car, so we can get our plates or tags, and then
we're getting lab work.
and we're on our way to South Carolina tomorrow.
We had 2 telehealth meetings, as nomads do.
Right? Telehealth is super cool.
It is. Had the
Love it.
Had the whole annual thing. Got the prescriptions. Got the whole thing.
$5.
$5. $5. Yeah. Blood pressure. The whole deal. Everything.
So very excited.
Yeah. And
We are free once again.
labs. Our car gets labs, and we get labs in Texarkana tomorrow morning, and then we're on our way to South Carolina.
Yeah. Which will probably be 2 days, an overnight somewhere. But
Yeah, somewhere.
we'll keep in touch. Watch for more content now that we are not tethered.
Hey, Winnie. You gonna say hi?
She's not talking to us right now.
It's thundering and lightning, and she's not a big fan.
The storm we just came through was really, really bad. So
See you soon.
see you next time.